Good evening. Today is Sunday, December 17, 2023, and here are the 7 p.m. Small Town Lottery Visayas result today. Here are the SL Three 7 p.m. result for Lapu-Lapu City. Under Lock 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for Sunday, December 17, 2023. Here are the SL Three 7 p.m. result for Mandaue City under Fiona Trading and Supply Corporation for December 17, 2023, Sunday. Thank you for watching the 7 p.m. video for evening of Sunday, December 17, 2023. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.